The othoig 14-inch portable television is a compact screen that is easy to move between the kitchen, workshop, and recreational vehicle without feeling flimsy or fragile. Its built-in digital tuner pulls in free high-definition local channels reliably, which makes it very practical for watching news and sports without any subscription. The rechargeable internal battery provides several hours of viewing during power cuts or camping trips, and the included 12-volt car power cord adds flexibility on the road. Picture quality is surprisingly sharp for a small portable set, with enough brightness and clarity to serve as a handy monitor in daylight or cramped spaces. Multiple inputs, including high-definition multimedia interface, composite audio-video, and a versatile universal serial bus port, let you hook up game systems, disc players, cameras, and media files without much fuss. Although it skips wireless extras, that simplicity keeps setup straightforward and makes the television a dependable little workhorse for travel, emergency use, and secondary rooms.